You are warmly welcome on SLTV Lab.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you a warm welcome once again on SRTV Lab. Today we are going to see the female reproductive system. We are going to see all organs of this system and function of those organs. Stick on this video from the beginning up to the end. I hope you are going to enjoy knowing about the female reproductive system. Let's go. Good. I've been saying that this is the female reproductive organ. It is the one that helps in reproduction. It helps in sexual intercourse. It provides so many hormones that helps a female in daily life. Good. Now let's see the organs of that female reproductive system. We are going only to see the internal organs. Here is the vagina. The vagina is the one that conveys uterine secretion to outside of the body. It's the one that receives erect penis during sexual intercourse and provide the open channel during giving birth process. That is the vagina. We go. There is here what we call cervix. Cervix is like the neck of the uterus. It is the one that prevents any external things to enter into the uterus. Do you get it? And it has a connection that connects the uterus and the vagina. That is cervical canal. It's the one that will take the uterine secretion outside into the vagina. It's the one that connects also the uterus to the vagina as well. Up here we see the uterus. Uterus is also called the womb. It's the most, let me not say the most important, but it's very important. It's the one that protects and sustains embryo during pregnancy. Do you get it? It's the one that protects and sustains embryo during pregnancy. This is where resides a baby during pregnancy. Do you get it? This is the uterus or the womb. And this is where also came the name woman. It's like a man with the womb. Woman. Good, let's go. We go to the other part. This is what we call the ovary. Now, what is the function of the ovary? This is the one that produces oocytes. Oocytes is like the egg of a female that will meet the sperm of a male and then produce what we call the zygote. They will make an egg that will be developed and become a baby at the end and will be a full human being. Also, this ovary is the female sex hormone. It's the one that produces female sex hormone. Hormones are produced from the ovary. Good. Here is a ligament called the ovarian ligament. The ovarian ligament is the one that attaches the ovary to the uterus. Is the one that fixes the ovary. Do you get it? That is called the ovarian ligament. Good. Here we see the branches or the teeth-like projection to the ovary. These are called ovarian embryo or fimbria. This is called the fimbria. Good. This is the one that will receive the oocytes from the ovary and take it into the fallopian tube. Here we see the fallopian tube. This is on the right side, or I mean on the left side, but there is another one on the left side as well. That is called the fallopian tube. Now you wonder, what is the function of this fallopian tube? It is the one that will convey the fertilized egg of a female, the embryo, and bring it and take it into the uterus. It also conveys all things that will come out of the ovaries towards the uterus. Good. Now we see the big part above the uterus, that is uterus fundus. You get it? That is the uterus fundus. Good. Thank you, guys. See you in another video next time.
Good. You have seen the female reproductive system, and it's very good. You can see, like this pregnant woman, how can she get pregnant without the female reproductive system? There is no way. That is why it's very important to know in which way or how does the reproductive system of female work, or what are the structures that made up the reproductive system of that female. Do you see? That is where the intercourse takes place, as I have said. That is where a baby is made. You know, all of us were made into the reproductive system. Good. It's very wonderful. At the end, we are going to see what is the result of the function of the female reproductive system, apart from just having the sexual intercourse, apart from having the sex. There is also something very important that happens there. We're going to see, what is it? It's a miracle. We see that in the Bible. God just created a man and created a woman out of a man. But through the woman, miracles are made. It's like God has given his power to a female in order to do what? To create other human beings as well. It's very good to see a pregnant woman, and you expect what will come out of that woman. What is it? It's creation. That is the power that a female has that no man has ever had. Do you get it? I don't know clearly, but there are some men who go and just go into the hospital and get transformed into a female. But I don't know if they can get pregnant and give birth as people are originally female. I don't know. But as of now, I can tell you that female are very wonderful creatures. Those are the ones that will do what? That will give birth to all of us. Look, imagine giving birth to such a beautiful baby. This is good. This beautiful baby, good.
So, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope it is very helpful. So please, don't keep this information just with yourself. Share this information to your colleagues. And see you in another video next time. May God bless you abundantly.
Please support this channel by pressing like, subscribe, and the bell. This is a huge support for this channel. May God bless you.